Some of you have never been yourself too much. Some of you have never been down on yourself too much. Okay. I want to tell you a little story so you will understand what I'm talking about. And they have the plant to grow around the woods and the fields and look like something like a jumping green. And everybody calls it Polk salad. Now that's Polk salad. Used to know a girl down there live, and she picked her herself and carried her home for supper. Cause they're all after they eat. But they did all right. Down in Louisiana, where the alligators grow so mean, leave the girl and I swear to the world, make the alligator look a tame that Polk salad. Gator got your granny. Everybody said it was a shame, cause her mama was working on a chain. Every day before the summertime, she go down by the truck backs and pick her miss a Polk salad and carrying it home and the Polk salad. The gator got your granny. Everybody said it was a shame, cause her mama was working on a chain. Suck a little Polk salad to me. You know I need a meal, miss. Suck a little Polk salad. Her daddy was lazy and non-count, claimed he had bad back. All her brothers was feet for was a watermelon's of her track, that Polk salad. The gator got your granny. Everybody said it was a shame, cause her mama was working on a chain. Suck a little Polk salad to me. You know I need a meal, miss. Suck a little Polk salad to me. Suck a little Polk salad to me. You know I need a meal, miss. Suck a little Polk salad to me. You know I need a meal, miss. Ching 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 ching, ching 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 like that. 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 Ching 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 like that.